How to get a refund from United Airlines. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can get a refund from United Airlines. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. But before that, if you don't know what is United Airlines, it is one of the largest airlines in the world, known for its extensive domestic and international route network, in which the airline's primary hubs include Chicago, O'Hare, Denver, Houston, George Bush, Los Angeles, and many more, making it a significant player in both domestic and international markets. United is a founding member of the Star Alliance, which enhances its global connectivity by partnering with other major airlines. And the company also provides a comprehensive range of service beyond passenger transportation, including cargo services and ancillary, offering a fuel, sail, and ground handling. But at this point, we're not here to book a flight or book a trip on United Airlines, but we're here to refund or process a refund on this platform. And to start doing that, you can simply click the My Trips option on the top panel, and below here it will show a variety of options that you can navigate. So can you click the Request a Refund button right here to proceed. And upon clicking this one, it will automatically be directed in here, in which it will show you the first thing that you need to do is to simply sign in your United Airlines account in here. And under this Request a Refund button, all you need to do is simply fill out all of this required information. The first one is to select your flight, in which your purchases in here are linked to your reservation, so you can simply add your flight info or enter a receipt details in here, including your last name, your documented number, and other information in here. You could also click this Add Trip and just simply enter the confirmation or ticket number in here, and also your last name to proceed. And aside from that, if you scroll down below here, it will show you how they can get back to you. So you can simply enter below here your email address, in which once the refund has now been processed, it will show you, or they will send an email address in your inboxes. Then just click the Continue button below here to proceed. However, it says here that all refunds are credited to the original form of payment used. And it says here that please allow up to 7 business days for a refund to post to your credit card. And if the refund does not post within one billing cycle, you could also contact your credit card company for information. And for all other forms of payments, you could also allow up to 20 days for a refund to be processed. And if your ticket qualifies, your refund will be credited to your original form of payment unless you request an electronic travel certificate. Please allow up to 7 business days for them to process your request. And the timing of refunds for tickets purchased in international locations may be different. So that's basically one of the things that you need to remember before getting a refund on this platform. And after that, you will be directed on the next step, which is to review options, then proceed by contact information and confirmation step. So those are basically the 4 steps on how you can start requesting a refund. And aside from that, if you also want to know more about the refund policy, can you click this refund policy hyperlink text in here. And upon clicking this one, you will automatically be directed on this page right here. And from here, you can simply select under this category your reason on why do you want to refund your ticket. But before that, the other way on how you can get to this refund policy is by going to Google and search United Airlines refund policy and click the first link that comes up. Then again, you will be directed in this page, and just proceed by filling out all of this required information, including to select the category, in which from here you should see here a different kind of option to choose from. But at this point, I'm going to select a delayed or cancelled flight. And below here it will show you that you may be eligible for travel credit or refund if your flight was delayed because of weather, air traffic control, or mechanical problems. And if your flight is significantly delayed, you have a couple options below here. So you can simply read it out and understand if you're already part, or if you also want to avail all of this or some of this option in here. And aside from that, below here, if you scroll down, you'll also be able to see here some other info about the refund policy that is offered by this United Airlines. And as you can see here, the refund amount will vary based on the situation. So basically, if your category or situation or reason to refund the ticket will be depending if it is valid or not. And aside from that, it says here, if your ticket was purchased in the last 24 hours, it may qualify for our 24-hour booking policy. Since basically United Airlines offers a refunds for certain tickets, particularly if the flight has been cancelled by the airline or if you cancel within 24 hours of booking, provided the ticket was purchased at least a week before departure. And basic economy tickets can be refunded within this time frame but are generally non-refundable thereafter. So if you're going to click this 24-hour booking policy, will automatically be directed on this page right here. But at this point, you also need to sign in your account to navigate some other options to refund on this platform. You could also see here some of the changes in fees, in which if you're flying on an economy plus, or a premium cabin ticket, your change fees are waived for the following, some of this, including domestic flights with the US, Puerto Rico, and US, Virgin Islands, flights between the US and Mexico, and many more in here. Well, if you're flying on a basic economy ticket, you can't change your flight unless you upgrade to economy or a premium cabin first. And below here it will show you the change fees, terms and conditions that you can simply read and understand, and also their 24-hour booking policy in here. So basically you can simply read this part if you are eligible to initiate a refund on this platform. So basically you must book at least 1 week your flight in advance, and you must also cancel this within 24 hours of the time you made your reservation in order to be eligible for refund under 24-hour booking policy. And below here are some of the details about it that can help you to enlighten about the 24-hour booking policy terms and conditions. And aside from that, if you also have other concern or question, you could also go to this frequently asked question, in which it will show you some of the question about a flexible booking, in which by clicking each question, it will show you the corresponding answer below here. So going back to this page right here, you could also navigate here under this request refunds or refunds also to check the statuses of your flights by simply filling out all of this required information, such as your last name and also your ticket number in here. But again, to start requesting a refund, all you need to do is simply fill out all of this required information and fulfill the 4th step in here. And aside from that, on the top panel, you could also request reimbursement by clicking this visit the customer care form button, in which upon clicking this one, will automatically be directed on this page, where it will show us that we can simply submit a status on behalf of ourselves. But we first need to fill out or sign in on our account on United Airlines in here. And below, if you have other concern, such as question, you can go to their help center or simply directly ask a question in here. Then choose the related to, and I'm going to click this refund button to proceed. And upon clicking this one, you can simply click this refund form. And upon clicking this, it will automatically be directed again on this page. Then we can start again requesting for a refund. And aside from that, you could also navigate on the top panel under My Trips, the other way on how we can start requesting a refund on this platform by clicking this refund or cancellation policy. Upon clicking on it, will automatically be directed on this page. And again, just simply select the category or your reason and fill out some of this required information to request a refund. So basically, to initiate a refund, travelers must fill out an online refund request form available in this United's websites. Refund for tickets purchased within the credit card are typically processed within 7 business days, while other forms of payment may take up to 20 business days. So overall, that is just basically how you can get a refund from United Airlines. Thank you.